Hey everyone, welcome back. If you cannot swipe left or right on Tinder, this guide will help you fix the issue. First, check your internet connection. Swiping requires a stable connection to register your account, so make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi Fi. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for Tinder and close the app, then reopen the Tinder app. Temporary glitches often block swipe actions. After that, if you see a swipe limit message, wait until the limit resets. Free accounts have daily swipe limits. Next, go ahead and head over to your app store, search for Tinder, and update your app from there. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Swipe issues are common on outdated versions. Then restart your phone to clear system level bugs. After restarting, open Tinder again and test the swipe feature, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.